Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about your lab program second. That is write a JavaScript that will calculate the square and a given number from 0 to 10. And this is the accepted output for your lab program 2. So as we are using the scripting language means it's we can use how you are using the normal language like C, C++, the some of the functions of that we can use. Like keywords, we can use the same as you are using other language. So as we are using, we created one table. In the table, we are mentioned number, square, and cube. Suppose the given number is 1, what is square of it, and what is the cube of that. Similarly, we are displaying the number from 0 to 10. So 10 square is 100 and 10 cube is 1000. For writing this type of program, we'll go to Notepad++. So as we are already typed this program, so first we have to use doctile type HTML and HTML. Inside the HTML, we are using the style sheet. So here, style sheet is for only it is used for making the design of your style sheet. We are using is to make the design of the page. So here we are using number, square, and border. We are maintaining certain border to the table. That's purpose we are using the style sheet or the font size or the spacing purpose we are using style sheet. So we are using here table, and inside before going to style sheet, first we'll go to script. So as we are using the program in the JavaScript, so as we are already know how to create a table, like same information we are using in the JavaScript, we are using for the printing the one row. Printing a row, we are using script document dot write. So we are using document dot write. So it will print in the website one line. How we are using printf statement? Similarly, we are using document dot write in JavaScript. So as we are using, so we are using opening bracket and double quotation, and the remaining things is same as we are using. So just we are using table is a tag, table content tr tag. Just I will remove the information. Just I will cut it. So just look like your table that contain table row, table data. Same way you are using, but writing inside the document dot write. So table and table contain tr tag, that is the first row of the table that we are using ts tag. Call span 3 means 3 columns are merged. 3 columns are merged. So in that we are maintain number from 0 to 10 with their square and cube. With the square and cube, that is written, and we have closed th and tr tag. So document write, where if you are using in JavaScript document write, it will print one row at a time. So it will print one row at a time, and the first row we have taken call span number from 0 to 10. So we'll see here how it is printed. So we are written, if we are using the call span, entire 3 rows are merged into one. So we are using call span 3 means all are merged. Then the information we are written is number from 0 to 10 with their square and cube. As we are written the first row, second row, what we are using? Document dot write. We are using tr, td. In first we are using number, table data, second row, first column contain number, table row, second column contains square, table row 2, third column contain cube. Means we are using information num, square, and cube. As written, number, square, cube. So it is going to display number, square, cube. So next information is 0 to 10. So it is go on repeating the same code. Here we are using looping statement. So in JavaScript, we are using for loop. So as in JavaScript, the declaration of variable can be done anywhere. So we are using for variable var n. So we are declaring one variable that is initial value is 0 and we are checking up to 10. So just I will remove, I will make it as 4. So it will print the square from 0 to 4. 0 and n value is equal to less than or equal to 4, n plus plus. So inside the for loop, how many times the loop has to be printed? 4 times. So loop has to be printed 4 times. So just inside what we written, first I will make as 0. Initially first I will make 0. The first row, document dot write tr td n plus n is nothing but 0. TD is closed. First column is printed. In place of number, we are printing n. Again, we are using TD. N into n means 0 into 0. That will be printed as a square. In third, what we are using? Cube. And n has to be multiplied by 3 times. So that we are written n into n into n into n. 3 times we are using n cube. So it will print cube of the information. So we will save and we will run it. Just I changed that information I can see here. So what we got? 0. When the loop one, when I equal to n value is 0, we are printed number 0, 0, 0. Then again I will change to it and I will increase n value. So n value will make less than or equal to 2. Because if I return less than or equal to 1, again it will print 1, 1, 1. So I will go to n equal to 0, n is less than or equal to 2, n plus plus, and I will save it. So initially we are having 0, I made to 2. So now we write number 1, square of 1 is 1 and cube of 1 is 1. Number 2, square of 2 is 4, cube of 2 is 8. So in this way we got n value. Same way we'll go for n equal to 5. Now we'll go n equal to 5 and we'll save and we will run it. Now we have to go, the number should be from 0 to 5. So we got 3 square and 3 cube, 5 square, 5 cube. Same way our program is, the number should be printed from 0 to 10 so that we are written n value is less than or equal to 10. We'll save it and we'll run it. So we got 10. So this is the number from 0 to 10. For using this one, to display it incorrectly, we are using script. So just what we have displayed, the output will be in this fashion. If I remove the script and I will save it. So what just now what we are explained, that is the output for this is, it will be displayed in this fashion, number, square and cube. Now what the actually we are getting the output, that should be done by using style sheet. For using the style sheet, so once again I will paste the style sheet. So what we written? Table tr td. So border is solid black. So we have taken the solid border and the width of it is 33%. And text align center, border collapse. Then background color light blue. Collapse means there is a no border. If I use this one, collapse means border is not going to be seen. So we will save and we will run it. This is our output without style sheet. This is the output with style sheet. So as you can see, I am not getting any border here. So why? Because border has been collapsed. Suppose in style sheet we have removed collapse. So just now what I will make? I will cut this particular line and I will save it. How our output will be changed now? So we'll say it. So this is our previous output. Now I'll just reload it. Just we'll make the border collapse. Collapse means the border, whatever the border we are getting, that should be not be appear. So as we are using background color is light blue, I will change the background color light green. So we'll save it and we'll run it. Just I change the color for the border. So we got the border for the color is light green. So in this we can add the color to the table, or you can make any type of design. So even though you can increase the width of that it, I will make width is 50% and I will save it. So we got the information should be with different size. If I increase the border size width of the column 50% means it's getting wider. Just I will make it to normal position. So you can mention the size according to screen. Now we'll get accurate result. So that's why where width is equal to 33% means we'll get the accurate result of the table. So this is the, and margin is auto. Automatically the margin from the table it will be set auto. So that if I increase the 50%, automatically margin is going to be auto. So this is our output for the lab program 2. If you are having any doubts, you can ask.